Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for July 30, 2020. If you look at the chart, yesterday it looked like it's very bullish and in the morning they slam it down after the report from unemployment had gone up and then the stimulus packet is still have not resolved, more people die, and then on top of that we have a big guy for big company that are now earning today, like Apple, Amazon, Google, Facebook. So that's why they slam it down. But they slam it down here, they found a support and put it back up. As you can see here, they have been doing that for the last couple of times. One here, two here, and today they do again, and they put it back up. And seem like after market close, all those big boy they are now good earnings, so the market it continue to set the tone in the upside for tomorrow. So in the morning early, we know the market is slamming down, so we stay in the short side until the support the buy zone here. We already set it up here on the blue bar, so the market it hit down here and then rebound and find a way to go higher. So if you are a day trader, you can see that the market they come up here, they come back down early in the morning, and then they hit to the buy zone. After they found the buy zone support, and then they punch it back up to the upside and hit to the resistance, and people take the profit after hour. And you can see that the institution, when the market's close, they jump up, so no trader there, so they run it up very fast and take the profit. So that's how they are trading. So after I get out from my trading room, I jump in here. Okay, after the market is found at the bottom here, and then they turn around, get above my moving average, take a quick long trade, and then the total net profit for today is $909. So if you stay the end of the day, the market is, after market close, they just run up. Okay, so nobody there. So that's how the market doing. And if you look at the market today, you can see that uh, a lot of stock that we have been follow. Before I get to that point, so you see that the Amazon after report, they already run up at 171 point to get back to the top, and the Apple also have a good earning. So the market had already hit to about $400 already. They try to make a new high there, and Facebook also doing well. They go up $16, so they are right on the top again. So it seems like the market is trying to find a way to break out to support the Nasdaq and SP 500. Okay, to set the tone to go higher. So we are not too far away from the top. Let's see what the market they want to do. We will reach to the. Let's see if they can go back and test February, the end of February high or not. Okay, we will monitor and let you know. And if and a lot of stuff that we have been follow, like IBTX, it's still doing very well. Okay, FVK still doing very well. B, okay, it's still doing very well. And P and C, okay, it's also not this one here. This is PNR. Okay, so this one here. This is those stock that the one that we are study and mention on the weekly market forecast. So if you watch it, you can see that they are very good for potential to have more momentum. So this is all I have for you. So if you like what I'm doing here, give me thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we'll let you know right away. So that you can take a look to see what the market heading to. And if you would like to learn more how to understand the financial market, how to use modern technical analysis to look at the charts so you can see where they go, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.